Marketing mix. Marketing is divided into four types: product service offered, price, distribution, promotion. In product service offered, the first plan offered is group profiling. In group profiling, self-associated groups to exchange the development plans. Access to the group profiling is based on permission similar to social networking sites. Second one is price. People might will offer bulk pricing and cornet pricing to the business customers in order to satisfy the customer needs. Pricing model remains constant. Third one, distribution. Distribution may involves people may have challenge, direct sales, industry events, challenge groups. Fourth one is promotion. Promotion is based on public profiling, blogger community testimonials, strategic alliances. Thanks.
Shankar, I'm going to discuss about people ahead marketing plan. So the first point is people ahead focus majorly on career advancement. This is the first point in marketing plan, and the second plan is it provides a platform to improve for people to find, advance, and develop their careers. Okay, this is the second point, and the third point is their mission is to help individuals with career development and improving human capital in companies. And the final point is in marketing plan, their site is acting in a networking platform for professionals and companies.
Hi, I'm Manoj. I'm discussing about this people's heads goals, and their goals include like building critical mass of users, giving traffic to website, and utilizing word of mouth advertising from satisfied users. And like their advantages are like True Match offers a branded technology marketed to both business customers and individual candidates. For individual candidates, they can create a history and can be connected with other friends. For business customers, they move online sourcing and picking candidates who are eligible and delivering them the top 10 list.
I'm Ravi. The most critical issue in examining market size is the relationship between the number of companies and the number of workers employed. Because sales are based on the number of positions, not the number of companies that use the service. Let us see what are the market needs. One of the things they do to find the right person for the right position. Increasing the number of candidates through online recruitment can be advantageous, but it can also be hindrance. Their combined talent of the founders include human resource, system development, sales, and marketing. Okay, we have discussed the market needs. So let us see what are the threats. As people ahead is targeting a wide range of business, it sometimes may get messy. One of the biggest threats for people ahead is that existing competitors may get together and form another company and establish themselves before people ahead so that they may emerge bigger than people ahead. Inability to explain or differentiation would relegate people ahead to comparisons with competitors. Thank you.
Vamsi. Till now, we have discussed about people's ahead marketing strategies, their needs, what is happening with the company, their threats, and their financial status. Now, I want to talk with you about their customer relationships, their user positioning, their target markets, and finally our overview. People's Ahead serves two types of searches: those with too many applications and those with too many applicants. By drawing applicants, most systems overlook many of the candidates of the because of not going through the resumes thoroughly. But People's Ahead has the system assures the right candidates is identified as quickly as possible by tying them with their needs. And going to the target markets, People's Ahead focus all the resources and small enterprise, that is only in New England metro market, including some places like Boston, Stanford, Norwalk, Rochester, and Springfield. Normally, online recruitment companies compete for national recruitment spending, but mostly the job seekers are local based. So market penetration is possible by covering a single geographical location than making it a whole countrywide search. This is one of the most target market, and this is very helpful in setting the market up in the initial stages. And user positioning: to the proactive professional, People Ahead is career advancement done right, providing a platform to discover, plan, and advance their careers by uniting with friends, co-workers, and mentors with companies searching for the right taken and the right talent to get recruited. And well, coming to the strategic alliances, People's Ahead offers a product that complements the services offered by many large organizations. Partner opportunities exist with, for example, with universities, colleges, academic institutions, professional associates, clubs, industrial affiliation groups, online associates, groups, blogs, etc. Professional service firms and executive search firms. Strategic alliances serve multiple purposes. They can help people ahead, increase public exposure, increase their user base, expand product offering, and settling their base. And well, coming to the evaluation and control, People's Ahead will evaluate user profiles to identify a set of profiles that are valuable to new business customers, which will aid in the selection of subsequent target customers. And this will also help for the industries or someone who is ready to hire search make the search platform very less and time being also. And one of the best things People's Ahead is doing is they are willing to try new things, because careers are important to people. They are averse to spending time uploading resume information to online recruitment websites only because of the lack of perceived value. They will spend time when the career opportunities are perceived as valuable. This is where People's Ahead is on top of the other competitors. And lack of differentiation, regardless of the qualification of a job seeker possesses, it is difficult to make them evident in a traditional resume. Okay. And finally, what we learned from this assignment is that when you want to start a new market, or when you want to start a new business or a startup, the first thing you need is a very good marketing plan and a very well thought marketing plan. Because if you are able to conduct a derive a marketing plan before the start of business, your work will be almost 30 to 40% done. And if you get any unstable things in the middle of your operation, you can go through your plan again and make it possible. Thank you.